welcome to Katie Trader channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and activate the notification bell, so you don't miss it when I upload the latest video from my channel. I installed the Fractal and DeMarker indicators. I open sell because the Fractal indicator will dip down, and the candle seems to touch the zigzag support point. I open $100. The time is 2 minutes. We wait for the time to finish, guys. Profit, guys. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.